okay? Today we're going to be focusing on quadgraphs. Quadgraphs are when 4 letters make one sound. So we've got the O-U-G-H letters, and this can sometimes make the OR sound. OR, 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 like this, okay? Like this 2-letter sound, okay? OR. Okay, so let's put this quadgraph OR into some words, and the first word is bought. B, O, T, bought. B, O, T, bought. Yesterday I bought some groceries from the supermarket. I bought them. Okay, talking about the past. Okay, past tense word. B, O, T, bought. 6 letters, 3 sounds. B, O, T, bought. Okay, next one is brought. Okay, I brought the groceries to my home. Okay, brought. B, R, O, T, brought. Got 2 adjacent consonants here, B and R. Make a br sound. Br, O, T, brought. Br, O, T, brought. Sounds very similar to bought. Okay, sounds very similar, it just has a br sound in it as well. Br, O, T, bought. So very similar, but just one extra sound there. I brought it, okay, from home. So brought means to bring, but in the past, and bought means to buy, but in the past, okay, brought. Next one is fought. Fought. O, T, fought. Ought, fought. Ought, fought. I thought it was a good idea. So thought is to think, but in the past. Ought, fought. How many letters does fought have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? Ought. 3 sounds there. Okay? Ought. We've got TH, digraph, making that sound as well. Ought, fought. These are all past tense, irregular past tense words. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me at home, like always. All, bought, b-ought, bought, brought, br-ought, brought, and fought, ought, fought. Okay, so now we'll go on to... Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.